fucked up.
All right, so we got Ye making headlines once again with this major W.
It's up.
Plus, we're going to be taking a look at an upcoming sneaker, which upon the first looks, people weren't really rocking with them, but it looks like after this new update, that narrative is beginning to change. But of course, to kick things off, we got to start with the Jordan 4 Bred Reimagines, which over the past 24 hours or so, you yourself personally, you probably watched like over 10 videos about these joints. Every sneaker YouTuber is claiming that their inside sources, have given them the shock drop day. But how y'all gonna let little old JA, be the first one to throw out that February 1st shock drop day? And at the end of the day, I could be completely wrong, because remember, I'm not going off any type of inside sources. I was just throwing out that date based off an educated guess, based off previous shock drop releases. So let me ask everybody a question, when it comes to Jordan brand releases over the last year or so, specifically shock drops. Have they ever dropped one of these shock drops without giving us that little 15-minute window of notification? Remember, Nike is in the business to sell sneakers, so they're gonna give us that little heads up before the drop goes down. That way everybody has a fair chance to enter. So while everybody's getting all excited, hyped up, everybody and their mama is saying this week will be the shock drop, I wouldn't stress too hard about it, because we're gonna get that little notification in advance. But at the end of the day, I feel like it's fun, it's exciting that everybody's hyping up this release, because this is a great sneaker. It's a classic. You got a reimagining twist with the new leather finish, and a lot of people are rocking with it, and I think it's dope for sneakers. It's cool to see so many people all coming together just to cop this one sneaker. So I feel like it's a really cool moment. Remember, February 17th is the official day, but everybody's waiting to see if we actually get that shock drop going down this week. And really quick, let me ask everybody a question as a sneaker community as a whole, as far as Nike when it comes to using the term shock drop. I know it's great for marketing, but it seems like many sneakerheads are starting to be fed up with that term. So do you feel like we should switch that up to early release, or do you feel like Nike should still continue to rock with shock drop, even though they're giving us that little 15-minute heads up in advance? Now, as far as New Balance releases, we know Action Bronson, he's definitely a huge presence for the brand, and it looks like he is poised to be releasing 3 upcoming 1906 R colorways, which we've all seen the teasers, but it looks like out of all of the colors dropping, this rosewood pair is apparently the most rare of the bunch. And we did actually get an early look at these, where an unflattering image of these actually leaked out. You guys know those first looks, which never look good. I don't know who takes these pictures, but they always look like shit. So these look so bad that many people were originally saying they weren't feeling these. It was so bad that New Balance was actually striking accounts for copyright claims that posted the pic. It was so bad, Action felt the need to respond, given the whole inspiration behind the design, stating that this rosewood colorway was based off, sneakerheads copping the women's pairs back in the day. If you're an OG, you would know back in the day, a lot of sneaker releases, had a lot more like masculine, darker colors. So you would leave it up to the women's exclusive releases to throw in some of those vibrant, pastel, lighter tones. And real sneakerheads definitely appreciated the change up. So that's kind of the inspiration behind this rosewood colorway, which, as I mentioned, apparently rumor has it this may be the rarest of the 3 1906 Rs, which are scheduled to release coming up this spring from Action Bronson. So let me ask you guys, now that we got this more detailed look at one of New Balance's more popular silhouettes, are you rocking with them, or you feel like they should just throw these joints in the trash? And for today's Ye update, so yesterday he was spotted out in Hollywood attending Charlie Wilson's Hollywood Walk of Fame ceremony. Now, Charlie Wilson, he's a legendary musician, past Ye collaborator. He's also featured on the unreleased record Everybody from the upcoming album Vulture. So Ye, he was in attendance with the full black fit on, mask back on, so he must mean business. But he seemed to be in high spirits, spotted candidly having a little moment with Tyler Creator. Everything seemed to be going great until this TMZ Karen reporter asked him this dumbass question about his wife. Now, I don't know if y'all expected this next, but this is how Ye responded.
Why do you feel like it's okay? I'm a human being. All of this TMZ, this 30 miles on, y'all set celebrities up, all this bullshit. I don't give a fuck what y'all got to do. What y'all gonna do? What y'all got to say? Come at me with that shit, ask me that. You think you can walk up on me like that? Would you think that you a white woman, you can walk up on me like that? And ask me some dumb ass shit like that? Ask me if you're my wife, talking about this, you got free will? Are you crazy? You ain't saying this is America. You got free will, or you work for the devil? You got free will. You working for TMZ company. I'm a legend. You understand that? I'm here to support Charlie Wilson. You come and ask me some dumbass shit about my wife. That's my wife. You understand? You wasn't asking shit when I couldn't see my kids. When I couldn't, do you have questions? Do you have questions when I wasn't able to see my kids? And that I only get visitation and don't have rights to where they go to school? You got questions for that, or are you part of the system? You understand what I'm saying?
We got you.
Do you understand what I'm saying? You understand what I'm saying?
I hear you.
What do you hear? What do you hear about that?
We support
Is that your job
you.
to go up to every celebrity asking some dumbass shit about their wife?
I didn't want to kick you inside. Okay, let's go.
No, tell me. Was it wrong for you to ask me about my wife some dumbass disrespectful shit like that? Was that wrong or right?
I'm sorry, Kanye. I just need my phone.
No, answer the question. I'm supposed to answer your questions, answer my question. I got your phone now. They gonna arrest me for taking your phone? Arrest me for taking your phone then?
I don't.
You answer the question. You asked me, did my wife have free will? Was that a dumbass, disrespectful question to come ask a grown-ass superhero? Answer the question. What's your name? What is your first and last name and address, Mitch?
What are we doing?
I just need my phone.
Where is your phone?
No, she came to me and said, does your wife have free will to speak? She worked for TMZ. They
How
be
do you
right
know
on-
each other?
Yeah, how do you know me, miss? I don't know you. What is her name? What is this lady's name?
I'm just a reporter.
No, you're not just the reporter. What's your first and last name? Melanie what? What's your address? What you make a year? I'll pay you double what they paying you.
Woo! Woo!
Oh, now you smiling.
Woo!
Get her contact.
Yes, I will. Good shit, Melanie.
Thank you. Thank you, guys.
So this was absolutely wild. I'm sitting back thinking my boy is about to go to jail right here, but he kept his composure and he was spitting some facts. And I love to see the smirk on this Karen's face when he offered to, pay her more than what TMZ is paying her. Great moment from Ye. It seems like everybody in the comment section agreed with him. TMZ even admitted that they drew the line right here. So overall, I gotta say we got another W from Ye right here. And I gotta say that superhero line definitely hit different. And by this fit, with the mask on, this ramped up energy, this definitely looks like a guy who's about to drop an album in less than 10 days. So, and speaking of vultures, we did get a little update from Ty Dolla $ign, who did confirm that they did drop the dates. A lot of people were worrying that Ye clearing out his Instagram account meant that the project was scrapped, but Ty did confirm we got 3 volumes dropping, all different music, so I can't wait. And let me ask you guys now that we're just 10 days or less away from that February 9th release date, do y'all really feel like Vultures will release? Let me know what y'all think down below. We're gonna wrap things up for now, but I just wanted to share this cool little Ye W. Let me know what y'all think about these Jordan 4 Breds. Should Nike still use the term shock drop? And how do y'all feel about those Action Bronson joints? Drop your feedback down below. If you haven't done so, help me out by dropping a thumbs up. I'm JA. Make sure y'all stay safe, stay blessed, and I'm out, y'all. Catch you tomorrow. Love.